feel like I'm losing my mind.
Oh yeah.
Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
What's up? Welcome back. Today I've come to hit the trails and we also got the jump spot. I've brought my shovel, so we're going to fix up a few of the jumps, tie them up a little bit. Still testing the e-bike garage belt. On the road, obviously it wasn't too bad, but we're going to go test it out in the dirt, throw some mud at it and see how it holds up. Should be sick. Let's go get it.
All right, let's do the loop. In 15 kilowatt as normal, my favorite setting.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't need shit that I think is amazing.
Had a little bit of rain.
For my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place.
And it looks like a few cool being out here riding as well.
Right now, I'm losing it, the news it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose your gift.
The dirt is primo.
There's no mercy in this world, just hunger thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
Off the rear end.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
That's a lap. There's another little up and back this way, so we'll hit that. I might cue some music.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all.
And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Little flat track. Let's give this a little go. Mode 3, so we're going full power.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you coming for me, hope you ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crap from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts feeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. No, I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
There you go.
Done a few laps, nice and warm, nice and hot actually, sweaty. But I'll come over here, I'll build up a couple of these little jumps, fix them up a little bit, hit these, And then there's another jump I want to go check out. I saw back up the trail there.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing.
I fixed a few up, fix a small one, big one, the middle one. 3 I've hit before, so I'll hit those again. Oh, clean. Whee! Nice. Hit the middle one now. Oh, nearly went over. Oh yeah, clean. Do that a couple of times. Did I get it clean or not? Yeah, just.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I write a second,
there we
third
go.
verse. About the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts.
Get it?
Deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what gives me the most.
Oh yeah.
Do what I
Yeah, boy. Woo!
Unfortunately, I snapped my peg off casing a jump, as I do. I went a little long, landed heavy, snapped it clean off. I can't remember, this is definitely AliExpress peg. Not sure if that's factory or Ali, but it's gone. So that's the end of riding for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next one. Cheers.